How clean is the environment around you? How harsh are the chemicals used in that cleaning process? At PURTEQ, we believe that the quality and performance of cleaning and disinfecting products should be at the highest standard and should never require the use of harsh chemicals. We offer highly effective products that are sustainable and non-toxic, so that you can feel confident in the level of clean and feel good about how it was achieved, all for the sake of your employees, guests, students, and anyone who enters your environment. We do this by harnessing the power of nature's technology through probiotic, colloidal, botanical, graphene, and mineral-based formulations. From our general cleaning and disinfecting products and wipes, to specialty cleaners for glass, floors and carpets, and odor elimination, PURTEQ delivers superior results for a full spectrum of surfaces in need of cleaning and disinfecting, including kitchens and bathrooms, and all of our products complement the performance of one another. You take cleaning and disinfecting seriously. We are here to help you create a clean, non-toxic, and safe environment without using harsh chemicals in the process. Join our growing list of customers living the promise of more green, all clean.